Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to save Excel table as a PDF on one page. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see here many tables into this spreadsheet. Now we want to save a table on one page in PDF. At first, select a table. Now I am select this table, click and drag on our mouse, click right button and copy the table. Then create a new sheet, click the new sheet plus icon, then click right button and paste this. Then make the all text out of it, double click on the option and make the all text out of it. Now we want to save the one table on PDF. Go to the file menu, select save as option, then choose browse, then choose my file location and write my file name, then click save as drop down menu and click PDF, then click save, then wait some moment to saving and opening the file on PDF software. Now we can see here the table we save on PDF only one page easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.